Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Yamaha FJR1300 ES. This is the awesome sport touring inline 4-cylinder from Yamaha. Beautiful metallic, or rather a matte finished blue. Beautiful condition, only 14,000 miles on this awesome sport tour. ABS brakes. Come on by, make your sport touring dreams come true for just $13,999. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.